Are you ready to make the crispiest, goldenest, most delicious food right from your kitchen counter? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into the 5 best air fryers for 2026 that will absolutely transform the way you cook. Whether you're feeding a family, meal prepping for the week, or just cooking for yourself, I've found the perfect air fryer for every need and every space. Stick around because I'm breaking down performance, features, and real-world results so you can make the best choice. All the buy links are in the description below, so go check them out. And before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with anyone who loves easy cooking, and subscribe so you never miss our kitchen tech reviews. Now, let's get cooking. Starting at number 1, the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL takes the crown as our best overall pick, and it's easy to see why. It consistently makes the crispiest and most golden chicken wings we've come across in the shortest amount of time. This 5.5-quart basket-style air fryer is perfect for cooking for 2 to 4 people, and it scored the highest marks for ease of use thanks to its intuitive buttons that make operation a breeze. During our tests, the basket slid in and out effortlessly, and we absolutely love the sleek ceramic nonstick interior that has held up remarkably well over time, plus both the basket and tray are dishwasher safe for super easy cleanup. It even comes with a broiling rack to add extra color to your food, though some testers did note that the basket feels a bit small compared to other air fryers on the market. This model features several programmed settings with unique temperature ranges, including max crisp and air broil reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and a dehydrate setting that goes as low as 105 degrees, with a timer that counts down to the second for precise cooking. Moving on to number 2, the Instant Vortex Plus ClearCook is our best value pick, and meal preppers or those cooking for a family of 4 will especially appreciate what this air fryer brings to the table. The non-stick basket features a large surface area that allows for more cooking at once while still fitting easily in the dishwasher, and the convenient window with an interior light lets you peer inside without having to pull out the basket. The light even turns on right before the timer goes off, which is a truly unique and thoughtful feature. This model is incredibly easy to program and delivers high-performing results every time, making it a steal when on sale and a great value even at full price, with a highly responsive digital control panel featuring 6 preset settings that each come with recommended but adjustable cooking temperatures and times. In our tests, chicken wings came out crispy, golden, and juicy in just 20 minutes, and frozen fries were moist yet crisp and evenly cooked without even needing to shake them midway through the cooking process. The 6-quart ClearCook model features a preheat function that's not often found in air fryers, taking just 3 to 5 minutes to reach 400 degrees while chirping when the right temperature is reached, and it also alerts you halfway through cooking should you want to shake or turn your food. Number 3 is the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer, our best compact pick, and if you're short on counter space or mostly cooking for one, this little powerhouse is absolutely perfect for you. It performs just as well as our best overall air fryer but comes in a shorter and slightly slimmer design with a 4-quart capacity, compared to the 5.5-quart capacity of the Ninja Max XL. In our tests, chicken wings came out super crispy and quickly, while fries cook beautifully, and it's incredibly easy to program and clean with its non-stick basket and removable cooking tray that fits nicely into the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. One of our Good Housekeeping Kitchen Appliance Lab experts actually replaced her Ninja Max XL with this smaller version, saying she mostly cooks just for herself and loves the smaller size and how it fits better in her dishwasher, noting that it's just as powerful and fast as the larger model while cleanup remains super easy. She added that she's been using this model at home for more than a year now, and though it isn't as small as some other compact models they've tested, it doesn't take up too much room alongside her other appliances, and she mainly uses it for proteins like chicken, salmon, and pork chops. Number 4, the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Portable Glass Air Fryer, takes the title of Best Glass Air Fryer, and glass air fryers are definitely on the rise, especially for those who want to avoid non-stick coatings commonly found in traditional basket-style models. Out of all the glass models we've tested, this Ninja delivers some of the best results, and the Crispi takes it a step further by being completely portable, with the power pod sitting right on top of the glass base where you add your food to do the cooking. The pod features 4 settings including bake, reheat, air fry, and max crisp, each with pre-programmed temperatures, so you can't adjust the temperature like you can with traditional air fryers, but it does feature a small screen for adjusting the cooking time to suit your needs. The Crispi comes with both a 6-cup and 4-quart base, as well as lids so the base can serve as food storage for on-the-go eating, meal prepping, or keeping leftovers fresh and ready to enjoy. Finally, at number 5, the T-fal infrared air fryer is the brand's newest model and an incredibly innovative option compared to everything else on the market, featuring a compact design that's small but mighty. Instead of a standard electric coil, this model utilizes an infrared heater that enables incredibly quick heating, and the standard basket-style air fryer features 7 settings to give you plenty of cooking versatility. During testing, we absolutely loved the easy-to-use control panel and the large window that allows you to watch the progress of your food without opening the basket and losing heat. When it came to making grilled cheese, the T-fal delivered the most even browning we've seen, resembling exactly what you would get from a skillet or griddle, and it also produced crispy chicken wings with a beautiful brown color while keeping them juicy on the inside. And there you have it, the 5 best air fryers for 2026 that are going to make your cooking faster, easier, and way more delicious. From the all-around excellence of the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL to the portable versatility of the Ninja Crispi, there's an air fryer here for every kitchen and every lifestyle. Which one are you adding to your cart? Let me know in the comments below. All the buy links are right there in the description, so go check them out. If you found this review helpful, please smash that like button, share it with your fellow food lovers, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our kitchen tech deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.